We're gonna do the finishing review of the Grey Candy and ready. What's up guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Finally recording another video on my A200. And guys, every time I come out to record a YouTube video, it's always raining or it's too hot. And today it was the worst combo. So today it was raining, and as soon as I come out, I wore a hoodie. The sun is blazing on me, so I'm sweating, lads. But back on track. We're going to be installing a Maxton splitter, Maxton side skirts from Unit 17. They're going to be installing it for me. So hot, but yeah.
Take the hoodie off.
So we've got some guys in the back telling me to take the hoodie off. He wants to see me naked, but what can we do? That's going in the video as well. Honestly, you don't realize how big a car is until you've got a splitter in the room. I also got a rear splitter. I'll show you now, cameraman, if you cover me. The car's locked, I've also got these, but they're in gloss black, so because my diffuser is carbon fiber, this here just looks. Which way does this go? I have no idea, but yeah, it just doesn't go. It doesn't fit well.
It's the other way. That one goes in.
Apparently it's the other way, but yeah, we're gonna be putting these in the bin. No, I'm joking. If anyone wants these, I'll sell them. Yeah. So once the splitter and the side skirts go on, this thing is gonna look so evil, especially with the tinted headlights. Yeah. I also wanted to show you guys. I got the front headlights tinted. It's just gonna be fully blacked out. It's gonna look mean. I can't wait. Yeah, let's get right onto the video then. We're gonna drive down to Unit 17. I'm actually gonna be going tomorrow, but let's just pretend I'm going today. And yeah, they're gonna install it for me. Yeah, catch you guys soon, man.
My car is only took a year. People ask me how it feel, never ask me how I feel. Y'all know I got niggas in the stuck, I'm trying to get a pill. They say they was down, I seen them same people change on. Now they want a car, they see me up, but I didn't change them. She say I look good, but it's because I got it chains on. Trying to put that brain on, all these fucking rings on. Still rolling up my problems, still thinking about my partners. They'll kill you for $1, that's why I iced out all my clocks. Remember looking up the bosses, know one day I get that set. Now I pull up with that ratchet and I hop out with them racks. I keep having flashbacks from all them trash bags. I keep having flashbacks from all them glad bags. I'm getting better and my shit flawless, I got them mad. But my little Woody got a body count like mad. I didn't came up too fast, I bought her new ass.
So guys, splitters on, side skirts on. Look how much more aggressive that looks. I'm gonna do some little cinematics, but honestly, changed the whole appearance of the car. I thought it looked aggressive without it. After putting it on, honestly, I recommend it to anyone. Of course, now whenever I go over speed bumps or race platforms, I'm gonna be clenching my ass. Also, I can say goodbye to taking multi-story car park pictures. But that's gonna come off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Ooh, so car's behind me now, guys. Look how evil that looks. Let me turn the camera. Oof, looks like an angry face. Jeez. You can probably tell I'm so gassed right now. Car's absolutely filthy right now, but let me show you guys so that's how much space I've got. So hopefully over bumps it doesn't scrape too much. I'll just have to clench my ass and pray for the best. Guys, that guy just come and told me that this building that's abandoned, that I've lived next to for so many years, used to be a big cannabis factory. So yeah, it's a new one for me. All right. Yeah. I'll just show you the car now from this angle. Oof. Oof. Favorite angle of this car is honestly this. If I turn the camera, actually let me turn the camera around. So my favorite angle is if you come here, you go down a bit, that, especially with the sights get on now. So guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up there. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me getting the A-Class, getting my A200, getting it split around side skirts on. Got another part coming. It's like a rear car nod. I'm gonna make a video on that. I'll be putting that on myself. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more of this car, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you for tuning in.